pages. Okay. So if you send the your homework means then only we'll come to know that you all are doing or not. Yes or no? ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರೆದು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿನ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. Some students are writing. Okay, we are happy with that. But what about others remaining students? What you all are doing? In the soon we are going to take a tests. Okay, so be prepared for that. Yes. Today we will solve the activity sheet number 6. That is page number 60. Open page number 60 in your textbook. Here they have given about the one symbol, that is apostrophe. So you all know that the symbols why you use for the whenever you are going to ask the question, that time you use the question mark. Yes. After ending the sentence we put a full stop. Like this there are different symbols are there. Yes, to complete this sentence. Like that here we are talking about the apostrophe. A P O S T R O P H E apostrophe. Yes, and the apostrophe how you need to write? It comes on the top like this. Apostrophe yes. Yes. So the apostrophe is added to a noun to show ownership or a possession. So ownership, whenever we are talking about the owner or the possession, the leading possession, that time we use apostrophe yes. Instead of saying seer, that is the man cub that belongs to the wolves. Here, that is the man cub that belongs to the wolves. This sentence is bit lengthy, isn't it? We need to make this sentence bit short. So we can also say that is the wolves man cub. That is the wolves man cub. So here the meaning also it is giving and the sentence is also short. By adding the apostrophe yes, we avoid that making sentence lengthy. Yes. Okay. Here they have given like this some sentences. You need to rewrite the sentences using the apostrophe yes. The first one, this house belongs to Mr. Ram. So here who is the owner of the house? To whom that house belongs? That house belongs to Mr. Ram. So here you need to use the apostrophe. So where you use that apostrophe yes? How you will write that sentence? How you will rewrite that sentence? See here, this is Mr. Ram's. Owner yaru? Ram. Mr. Ram's. Ram apostrophe yes. Mr. Ram's house. Yes. This house belongs to Mr. Ram ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋ ಬದಲು ನಾವು ಏನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು? This is Mr. Ram's house. ಇದು ಯಾರ house ಇದು? ಇದು Mr. Ram's ಮನೆ. Yes. Next second one. The color of the car was red. The sentence is here you need to use the apostrophe. The car's color was red. Here I am writing the answer. The car's color was red. Okay. Next, the coat that the beggar wore was torn. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕ ಏನು ಕೋಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅದು ಹರಿದು ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. The coat that beggar wore was torn. The beggar's coat was the beggar ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? beggars. The beggar's coat was torn. ಹರಿದು ಹೋಗಿದೆ. ಯಾರ ಕೋಟ್ ಹರಿದು ಹೋಗಿದೆ? beggars. Okay. Next, the my sisters. So don't get confused. ಇಲ್ಲಿ sisters ಅಂದ್ರೆ plural form ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So apostrophe s ಬರ್ದಾಗ it is singular only. Otherwise if you write sisters ಈ ತರ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು plural. apostrophe ಹಾಕಿ s ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು plural ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. But apostrophe ಹಾಕಿ s ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಅದು singular ಆಗಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Yes. My sisters eyes are brown. Eyes are brown. Next, sixth one. The hair of my puppy is dark brown. Which color the hair of puppy is? The hair of my puppy is dark brown. The puppy's hair is, ಇಲ್ಲಿ puppy ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Puppies. The puppy's hair is H-A-R. H-A-I-R. Hair is brown, dark brown. Not only brown, dark brown. Next, seventh one. The birthday of Sita was on last Wednesday. The birthday of Sita was on last Wednesday. Last Wednesday was whose birthday? Sita's birthday. Sita's birthday. Yes, should be capital. Last Wednesday was Sita's birthday. Okay. Next, eighth one. The notebook that belongs to Mike was torn. So this is your homework. So 8th one is left to you. Please write it yourself. Okay. Next, these all are the answers of A main. Okay. A answers. Coming to the B main. So fill in the blanks with the right words. Choose the words from the help box. So you need to choose the words from the help box. Hard, slowly, well, fast, sweetly, gracefully, happily, brightly. So first one is the girls behaved. How the girls behaved? The girls behaved well. So you need to write the first one is well. The girls behaved well. Second one, a deer runs how? Slowly or fast? How the deer runs? The deer runs fast. Yes. The second one is fast. Third one, the sun shone. The sun shone. Shine in the past tense into shone. How the sun shines? Gracefully, sweetly, happily, or brightly? The sun shone brightly. So write down brightly. Fourth one. A nightingale sings. A nightingale sings. How the nightingale sings? Sweetly. A nightingale sings sweetly. Fifth one. Priya danced. How the Priya danced? Priya danced gracefully. Gracefully. Okay. Next, farmers work. How the farmers work? Slowly, happily. The farmers work hard. Seventh one. The children laughed. The children laughed happily. When you are happy, you will laugh, no? So the children laughed happily. Yes. Again, the eighth one. Which one is remaining? My grandfather walks. How your grandfather walks? The aged person They walk fast or what? Remaining, the only one word is remaining in the help box. Take out that word and write it down. The eighth one. My grandfather walks. Yes, children. And these all are the activity sheet number 6 answers. Yes. Please complete this activity sheet number 6 as well as in your book and in your Facebook also. In the grammar part, write it down. Next, shortly I will tell you the activity sheet number 7, puzzle time. Solve the puzzles, then match them to the right pictures. I have heat and light to the earth. I have heat and light to the earth. Who will give heat and light to the earth? Who that? Who is that? I am the sun. So here they have given, just you need to match that. Solve these puzzles, then match them to the right picture. So first write down the names of the question, then match it to these pictures. I am the sun. I eat meat. I have a mane. I eat meat. Who will eat a meat in this picture? The frog will eat meat? No. The giraffe? No. Then the lion. So I am a lion. I am a white liquid. I am complete food. I am a white liquid and complete food. What is that? If you drink that white color liquid means you will get this so much of calcium. What is that? See here the bottle. So the milk. I am milk. I am yellow, sour, oval and juicy. This is a one type of fruit. It is in a yellow color and sour and it is a full of juicy. Which is that? I am a lemon. Yes, here it is there. So I am a lemon. Next. I have a long neck. I eat branches of trees. I have a long neck. I eat branches of trees. Who is that? So who is that? Branches of tree. Who eats the branches of tree? The giraffe. I am a giraffe. Next. I am seen in the night. I move round the earth. You can see in the night time only. In the dark sky there is a what? Brightness. Who is that? And also it rounds around the earth. That is, I am the moon. I am the moon. I have a face and 2 hands, but I do not have arms or legs. I have a face and 2 hands, but I do not have arms or legs. Who is that? Which one is that? That is clock. Yes, in the clock, if you can see the hands, no? One is short hand and one is the long hand. So the picture is clock. Next, I have a sticky long tongue. I swallow insects. I live on the land and in water. So ಇದೇನಿದು sticky long tongue. ಇದಕ್ಕೇನಿದೆ ಒಂದು ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟಂಗ್ ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ it swallow insects. ಇದೇನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಬರೀ ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಿಡಿದು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತೆ and also ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೆಲದ ಮೇಲೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಮೇಲೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. I live on the land and I live on the water also. Who is that? ನೀರ್ ಮೇಲೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ and ನೆಲದ ಮೇಲೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Which one is that? It is I am a frog. ಕಪ್ಪೆ. ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೆಲ್ಲ ತಿಂತದಲ್ಲ ಸೊ ತಿಂದ ನೀರ್ ಮೇಲೂ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೆಲದ ಮೇಲೂ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. Yes. So yes children, I have told you all the answers. Please write it here and match it to the given pictures in your textbook. So here we have completed the 2 activity sheets, that is activity sheet number 6 and activity number 7. Yes, and just try to find out the activity sheet number 8 answers. That answers I will tell you in the next class, okay? Yes children. So please complete these 2 activity sheets. They have given the astronomer, geologist, artist, merchant, astronaut. If you have a dictionary, please find out these meanings. To whom we call it as the astronomer. So get the meanings of this from the dictionary. Then we will tell you the answers of this activity sheet number 8.